Even as a reviewer, I have gone through a couple of papers and reviewed papers. One of the aspects that I personally feel is, having a good written English. So many times, at least some of the Indian authors' papers actually, so there has to be a substantial improvement in the, that's a very basic aspect that I would like to mention here. The second thing is a lack of vision or a lack of rigor in the paper. So a research paper, at least a good quality paper, needs a very thorough analysis and a more detailed, with a lot of rigor analysis. So that vision and that planning is important in a good paper.